to another video. So today we're gonna be rebuilding these WEDS crans, Vishunus, however you say it. So we will be rebuilding these even though we have no purpose for them right now. Christine actually ordered me a set of lips for all 4 wheels. As you guys can see, if you guys remember this, I bought this off of Kruber, which is a service that you can use to purchase parts and goods from Up Garage in Japan. So I got these for a really great deal, and then Christine surprised me with some lips. She ordered them about 4 months ago, just about 4 months ago, from 3Piece USA or 3Piece.us, whatever. I haven't had that much experience with 3Piece. I've always went through VRs, but they had a good price on lips, so Christine went ahead and surprised me and ordered me some. Only thing is, it took till February to come in, so I don't know if we'll be doing business with them anymore. I'm not trying to put any bad reviews out there, but that's just my personal experience. So with that being said, we have the wheels and lips sitting in a box over there. We will be unboxing them, but first let me go ahead and take this wheel apart. So this is the wheel. I already started taking a few bolts out here and there. There's about 20 bolts in this wheel holding this face and lip and barrel together. I believe it's a 3-piece construction. We'll see as soon as I take off the silicone right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the bolts out, take the face out, and then we're gonna see if the lips and barrels are welded together. If they are, then I'll just have to go ahead and cut them. But if they're not, then we can go ahead and see if the faces will fit in the lips. So I believe it's a T30 torque bit. I'm not too sure, and then a 10mm nut holding it on the backside. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking this apart right now. So just so you guys know, I did go ahead and pre-loosen the nuts on the back side, so that way it would be easy for me to take them off while we film. They weren't just loose like that.
Yeah. Just so you guys know.
This is why we don't work on stuff on a shag carpet. Got it. Okay, so now to take the face out. Oh, it's already out. You just push it out.
These wheels are so clean.
They are. I can't believe we bought them for this price. Like,
I know. They're so clean.
They're like new. Okay, so now you just take your razor blade, courtesy of Home Depot, and we're just gonna cut the silicone. Give it a good couple passes. I hope they're 3-piece. I hope they're not welded. Ready? Can you hear it? Hear it?
Okay.
Okay guys, it's gonna come apart now. Yes. Okay, we don't need these, so we'll probably post these for sale later. But these are original WEDS lips. We just wanted the barrel. So let's bring this back in the house. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the box right here. Show you guys how they're packed and everything like that, in case you guys ever order anything. Ready? Mm-hmm. This is the first unveiling. Oh look, they give us a sticker. There it is, guys. These are, oh, these are the 5.5. These look big, huh? Okay, so these are the 5.5.
They don't look big.
They don't look big? These must be the big boys, yeah? Yeah, these look freaking huge. These are the 7-inch lips. Okay, so before we're gonna test with both of them. Let's test with the bottom one. Oh, not the bottom, but the fronts first. So I forgot to check which one is which. See the stamp on the back. This is a 19A disc. Okay, so these will be getting the 5.5-inch lips. So we'll go ahead and test fit the 5.5-inch. It's packaged nicely though. Okay, see if the face lines up. It does line up.
Okay.
Okay, so the fronts fit. So let's take off the 5-inch. This on the side. So we can put the big boy out there. Oh, yup. That looks freaking sick. Oh, that looks so deep. Look at that. That looks mean. That looks so deep. This looks so super sick. I wish these were 18 so I could throw them on the car, the 240, but they're 19s. I think 19s are just a little too big for 240s. Okay guys, so I was outside and I was waiting for this box and it was supposed to come yesterday, but it came today, so I'm gonna open it up right now. It's something for the car that I really wanted.
Whoa, this box is huge.
I know, it's honestly bigger than I thought it was, but I think because it comes with everything in it. See, this box is as tall as me.
Wow.
See?
It's like a 5-foot box.
5 foot? What are you talking about?
What do you think it is?
I don't know. Just extra boxes. That's what we ordered. Okay, so this is something for the new car that we got, just to give it a little nice touch. Some OEM parts.
Oomph.
Give it a little oomph.
A little oomph.
Oh, I was like, what is this?
Oh.
You guys should already tell what this is now, just based off of.
That's the middle part. Oh no, that's the underneath part.
Yeah, it's the garnish part. Sheesh. But we're gonna make sure that this is cherry. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks so clean. Let me make sure there's no chips or anything.
Wow.
Yo, look at that. That looks so freaking sick.
My headliner shots.
Your glamour shots.
What is that?
This is so cool. Whoa. It's sparkly, huh?
Yeah, it's super sparkly.
Like
It
that?
has like, yeah, it has like diamonds, stars. See, like a twinkling star. And then there's like a bomb. And then
Bomb.
yeah, there's a bomb in here.